Hi there, sixth graders. Mr. Kerr here, and we are looking at week 9, New World Exploration. And big thing just to talk about again, your week 9 quiz. This quiz you should take today. Hopefully you're watching this on Monday morning. Take the quiz as a pre-test. It's worth very few points. Just take it. Look at all the questions, write them down either in some notes or in a Google Doc, and use those notes. The questions that you know are there, use those as your study guide as you go through this week. You have a vocab assignment, and let's see, and then you have a discussion board assignment. And then on Friday, I will open the quiz back up that you can take again. You should be able to get 100% on it. But we're looking at New World Exploration. Also today on Monday, you should definitely take some time, go and look through your grade book and just see, do you have anything missing or didn't it get done last week or something? I always suggest you focus on the current week first, but when you're feeling comfortable that you're caught up on the current week, then go back and do any missing assignments, okay? Make sure you're doing that. Make sure you're staying up on everything. We're over halfway through the semester, so just make sure you're staying up on everything. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. As always, I'm available Monday through Friday during the day. Not so much on the weekends and at night. So like all your teachers. So please reach out, ask questions. If you send me an email, please make sure there's a subject in the email and you are asking specific questions. Please don't just send an email and say, oh, I have a question about this assignment. Let me know what assignment it is. Let me know what your question is so I can get back to you as soon as possible. Happy to talk on the phone, text. We can set up a Zoom, whatever. Remember my office hours, 11 to noon on Wednesday. I've seen a couple of you there, but anytime I'm happy to talk, email, text, set up a Zoom, any of that stuff. All right. Check out the extra credit as well. Let me know if you have any questions, and let's get to work. Thanks. Bye.